All right, we are working on a Ford Expedition today. Yeah, it's an Expedition. Customer states rattle noise under the hood. All right, let's see what we got going on. See if we hear anything. Close the door. I hear a slight noise. I don't know if you can hear it on camera or not. Definitely can't hear what they say about it. It's hot. South Mississippi, it's hot. Gotta have some air. All right, let's pull it in the shop, see what it sounds like on the hood. What's that say? I want to put my seatbelt on. I want to put my seatbelt on. Under. Fine, there it is. On a Ford, they ought to put them up at the top because you always having to use them on a Ford. We got to back out of our previous vehicle. Oh, that's what we want right there, forward. Automatic. Yeah, read it for me. Okay, we'll go with that. Okay, we have a 4.6 2-valve Expedition. Yeah, that's what we want. Parking aid module, 2 sensors, 4 sensors are not equipped. I don't know, let's go look. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 parquet sensors. So we're gonna go with 4. 4 sensors to go. Advanced track roll stability control or interactive vehicle dynamics. Yes or no? I don't know. Okay, let's see what that says. Is the vehicle equipped with advanced track roll stability control or interactive vehicle dynamics? I don't see no buttons to say anything like that, so we're gonna pick no. I'm gonna do diagnosis. I'm gonna go into the control unit. We're gonna go into PCM. We're gonna read the codes, but with a Ford, we're gonna kill it before we read the codes. But it's a long process to read codes on a Ford. So I'm gonna click this button and I'll pick y'all back up when it clears it, when it brings the codes up. Yeah, really do. Yeah, here we go. All right, our codes popped up. Really nothing to lead us to what our engine noise is. We got a brake switch, AC is on code, and a catalytic converter code, and a generator code. So we've cranked it back up, heard the noise. It sounds like it's in the front of the engine, but we're gonna get it on the rack and get it in the air and see if we can pinpoint where this noise is coming from. Let it down on the stalls. Definitely louder at the front of the engine on the right side. Pretty sure the noise is coming from the front of the engine, but to make sure, we wanted to go ahead and remove the valve cover. So I went and talked to the customer, and she approved some time to pull the valve cover off. It's pretty nasty looking down there. Look at that. It looks like it's lack of oil change is the reason she may have a noise. But anyway, we wanted to put our eyes on the noise and not just guess at it. So I'm gonna have him start it up. We're gonna see if we can see anything. All right, start it up. Well, we got the valve cover back on. It's definitely broken guide on the tensioner, which could probably be fixed, and there may not be any other problems. But with the condition of the engine, all the sludge that was built up in this engine, lack of maintenance, it's not something that I want to tackle and would be able to warranty out here. Because it's been my experience that when the engine's in that bad a shape, that sludged up, that there's always something else ends up going on with it. You end up with no telling what all kind of other troubles you have. So I called the lady and I give her the option. I found a used engine with 147,000 miles on it. I give her the option of it with a 1-year warranty on it, or a rebuilt engine with a 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty on it. and she decided that she's not going to go with either one of them. She's just going to try to maybe sell this vehicle as it is and get her a new vehicle, which I understand that. She works out of her vehicle. It's a vehicle she needs for work. So, but yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video.